This is AJ Powers with the American Dream. Today we are in Carlsbad at Blast Motion. I'm here with Greg Sabella. You're the Senior Director of Sports Marketing here.
Yep.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, absolutely. So you guys have a really unique product. Do you want to tell us a bit about your company and what you guys do?
Sure. So we are an information company, and then we use a motion capture sensor or sensors to capture everything a bat or a club is doing, primarily in baseball, softball, and golf.
Right.
We then take that information and it's relayed to an app where athletes and or coaches can monitor performance, share that with their athletes, and really train smarter to get better.
So I've been fitted for clubs, I've taken lessons, I've used a lot of launch monitors. What are the big differences between your Blast Motion technology and those other monitors?
Yeah, it's a great question. So what we really concentrate on is a launch monitor is capturing some club metrics, but really what that ball's doing, right? Launch angle and spin,
Sure.
All those different things. We capture what leads up to produce that. So we measure your pre-impact swing dynamics. That's a big point of differentiation. The other one is our product is 0.3 ounces in the size of a nickel, so you can keep it on your club and go practice anywhere without having to have a launch monitor that costs thousands of dollars
Right.
that you're lugging around. We do, however, have capability within a standalone app called Blast Vision to capture launch angle, exit velocity or ball speed, and estimated carry distance using just the power of your phone.
Wow. Okay. Do you mind showing me around?
Yeah, why don't we go roll some putts and we'll see where you're at.
Sounds great.
Thanks for stopping by for a quick putting lesson. Saw Greg gave you the rundown a little bit, so now we'll dive into the fun stuff here.
Sounds good.
So right off the bat, we're just going to be working on getting your tempo dialed in, and then I'll kind of go a little bit deeper and get some additional metrics for you here.
Cool. Looking forward to it.
So we'll roll a couple putts.
All right.
Backstroke time 0.63 seconds.
There it is.
0.61.
That's a good one to look at. So ideally, we're looking to get you into a 2.0 to 1 tempo.
Okay.
And what that is the relationship between the time it takes to make the backstroke and the time it takes to make the forward stroke.
Okay.
We find that professional putters are all around 2.0 to 1, regardless of their timing.
Okay.
But on a bell curve, we're looking to get you into that 0.60, 0.30 range. So right off the bat, pretty good.
Pretty close.
So we'll go ahead and roll a couple more putts here.
Sure.
Tempo 1.7, 1. 0.61.
Perfect. So you can see here you had really good timing and your tempo was perfect at 2.0 to 1.
Okay.
And we also got that face rotation down under a half a degree.
So this is mainly tempo, timing, and then the face opening and closing.
Correct. That's what we're looking at here. We can dive a little bit deeper into the speed of the stroke, the length of the stroke, and loft and lie adjustments as well.
Okay.
So if we were going to hit 3, 6, 9-foot putts, ideally you would want them all to take that stroke to take the same amount of time with a 2.0 to 1 ratio. Just the club will be moving a little bit faster and your stroke will be a little bit longer for the longer putts.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So obviously we're here, golf, we're doing putting, you've got full swing. What are some of the other sports that you guys handle?
Yeah, so we actually work with baseball and softball as well. With golf specifically, we're focusing a lot on the timing and tempo. The three metrics that we're really looking at in those sports are going to be plane, connection, and rotation. And that is if the bat's getting on plane, how early it's doing it, how connected it is to your body, which is the angle between the bat and your body. So adjusting your body versus your hands to reach the pitches. And then also your rotational acceleration, how quick your body is turning and how well it's sequenced.
So obviously anything with the ball, this is going to apply with data, being able to measure that, but those are the three main ones you guys are doing.
Exactly.
If someone wanted to find out more about your technology, where can they go?
Yeah, just head to blastmotion.com and there's information on all three sports on there. So whether you're an athlete, a parent, a kid, a coach, whatever, you'll be able to get some information.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to try and get my stroke going a little bit better here if you don't mind.
Yeah, absolutely. Have at it.
Thanks, sir.